So here is final. A little bit of caulking. I put about 2 tubes, or 1 tube, I'm sorry, and a little bit of spackle. This is how you turn it into a knockdown instead of a orange peel. Nobody likes the orange peel, really. It's going out. So the knockdown is the way to go, I believe. Looks a lot better. I'll just be doing on this case opening only. Anyhow, look out for our videos. We'll be making more throughout time. All our requesters that request these videos, we try to keep making them. I hate doing it, but they keep requesting them, so here we are. This is a old historic home we're doing right now, top shelf trim. Having a custom make trim, as you see, to match the original 1900s trim. It's pretty similar. Y'all give us a shout and a like on the top shelf trim at facebook.com if you want to see more videos. Some of our custom fabrication work right here. This will all be paint grade, by the way. Unfortunately, this homeowner has changed it all to paint grade. So anyhow, give us a like. Thanks.